So this is my Suncast hose reel. It is leaking. In here where you would attach your garden hose, this is the spot that you have the inlet from the spigot. This is where the actual hose attaches, and then you wind it up. So this is leaking. If you can see, there's a seam in the plastic, but then it's also cracked. There's, you can see along the edge, there's like a crack that runs the whole way. So you get a mallet and you get a screwdriver. That screwdriver, you're gonna actually put it in here to break the pressure on both sides, because it's not screwed together, it's just pressurized together. So then this is the other piece, and you can see like how cracked it is. I went to the Suncast website and I typed in replacement in the search bar. It brought me to a page where I could scroll down and find what I was looking for. It's this in-out tube replacement parts. When you click on that, you're going to be taken to this photo gallery. This is really important. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll through the gallery and find the SKU that belongs to your kit. Now you have to be careful because these kits can be a little different, right? This looks a lot like mine. However, I didn't have brass fittings on mine. So I'm gonna scroll over. Here it is. Here's the one that I did in the video. And it's this 0463175. That's gonna be your part number. So when you scroll down to order, you're gonna go over and you're gonna find the part number. Let's see if I can do it without a glare. And here it is, it's $7.83 for that part number. I'm gonna order one of those. And I also found my second one up here. I'm gonna scroll through and find the next one. This is why it's helpful to save your pieces so you can cross-reference and check to make sure you're ordering the right thing. This is my other kit that I ordered, found that SKU, came down here to the part number. It happens to be the first one. It was $5.60, which is a huge difference than having to go and buy one at the store for $80. I will say that the shipping, you know, you're gonna pay for shipping. I think shipping ended up being like $17. The parts were like $13, shipping was $17, all in to fix 2 leaking hose reels. I paid about $30, which, you know, if I was gonna replace them both, it would have been $160. So I guess I'm not gonna complain about that. The water is running. There are no leaks. It is not leaking. I have the water on and it's not leaking.